Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to today's activity time. Now today I have for you, it's called crumpled paper art. So it's fun, we get to crumple up some paper to make it kind of look like this. So you can get a big piece of paper. I cut or ripped A4 into 4 little bits because I kind of wanted to do a few and I didn't want them too big. But you're going to crumple and crumple and crumple. So put your paper aside. I've crumpled 2 bits just to show you. So this one, once you crumple it, so crumple it into a shape, then you're going to get some watercolours. These are pastels that I kind of turn into watercolours. If you have watercolours, great. Paint works perfectly. You can add a little bit of water to make it a bit watery. You're going to need paintbrushes, obviously, and some water in a container or cup or anything. And then get your paper. And what you're going to do is scrunch it up. Let's get a new one, shall we? Oh, it can be so hard and spiky. And once you've got that piece of paper, so it's all scrunched up, you're going to put it down and squash it. Then you're going to get your paintbrush. And what colour? I feel like green first. So I'm going to mix that green. Well, I'm going to get that green. So these are pastels that I make into watercolours. So I've got a whole lot of green on my brush. And you're going to paint one side of that paper. All green. So that it looks like that. Now watercolour's great because it dries fast. So now you're going to take it, you're going to, oopsies, I ripped it, open it all up. And look, the green's only in certain places. Then you're going to scrunch it all up again. Ugh. I ripped that piece of paper by accident, so I might just go to this one. And then you're going to, so once you've scrunched it all up and then pulled it back apart, then you're going to go in with another colour. I'm just going in with green again because I kind of missed it on the last one. So there's the piece of scrunched up paper. Then you're going to carefully unravel it. Oh yeah, it's on one corner. And then I'm going to scrunch it up all over again. And on that side, I'm going to go in with another colour. I might go in with some yellow. I want this to be like a bright, fun piece, you know? Add a bit of colour. Add a bit of fun, happy colour. So, make sure you get in all the creases too, because as you can see it's very crumpled up, so you need to like get really in those creases, because that's going to make a big difference when you unravel it. Okay, so I've nearly painted this whole side. We're looking good. Right, so there's yellow, and then we're going to carefully unravel it again. Now, depending on how wet you do it, you may need to let it dry for a bit. Look at that! So we got yellow on this side and green on this side. So yeah, depending on where you scrunch it, excuse the weed eating, depending on where you scrunch it is where it's going to come out most. Okay, next colour. I might go for some orange. Okay, so we got orange in here too. I might go over to the other side. So once you do one side, you might want to flip it over to the other side too. And you could try that side too. And then hopefully you get both sides of the paper in this too, you know. Remember to get in all those little creases. Right, so I've done the other side. So let's carefully unravel I'm liking how this is looking so far.